Planning your content for your virtual summit. Imagine that you are a creative director of your virtual summit. As a creative director, you can choose the direction your event will take. This includes aspects such as the name of the event, the people who will speak during the event, the brand, the type of questions you want to ask, and the general topic. You can also research it. For example, what has been done before and who would speak at that event. An essential aspect that you should consider is giving your virtual summit a short and catchy name. Please use the word summit to make it clear to your audience that it is an event and not a webinar, tutorial, or podcast. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.